Get ready to meet a true beast of the roads. Today, we're introducing the Adamaster Fury, a Portuguese supercar that promises to redefine the standards of performance and innovation. With a top speed of 300 km per hour and a full carbon construction, this car is the embodiment of cutting-edge engineering. Stay with us and discover all the details of this impressive machine. Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a special episode where we'll explore the new Portuguese supercar that's causing a sensation in the automotive world. Developed by Adamaster, an automotive company founded in 2012, the Fury represents the pinnacle of Portuguese engineering and design. Throughout this video, we'll dive into the technical specifications, the development process, and the vision that transformed this dream into reality. The Genesis. The Fury is the result of a bold vision and years of intense dedication. The story of the manufacturer begins in 2012 when the company was founded with the goal of bringing innovation to the Portuguese automotive market. However, it was in 2019 that the true revolution began. With an investment of €17 million, the automaker decided to create a supercar that would put Portugal on the map of high-performance automotive engineering. The journey to create the supercar was marked by challenges and innovations. The company chose Parafita, in Matosinhos, as the base for its factory, a strategic location that allowed access to local resources and talent. The factory infrastructure was equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including machines and equipment developed internally by the automaker. This approach ensured that every aspect of production could be precisely controlled, resulting in a final product of unparalleled quality. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Fury's development was the decision to use composites instead of traditional materials like steel and aluminum. Carbon fiber, for example, was chosen for its lightness and strength, essential characteristics for a supercar. The choice of composites not only improved the vehicle's performance but also allowed for greater flexibility in the production of molds, enabling quick and efficient adjustments. The manufacturer also formed strategic partnerships with local suppliers for specific components, such as metal parts and electronics. This collaboration not only helped reduce costs but also ensured that 90% of the project's added value was of national origin. This local focus strengthened the Portuguese economy and highlighted the country's ability to produce world-class vehicles. But how exactly did the manufacturer manage to transform this vision into reality? And what were the main challenges faced during the development of the Fury? Let's dive into the technical specifications of this supercar, exploring every detail that makes the Adamaster Fury a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Technical specifications. This high-performance machine impresses not only with its futuristic design but also with its breathtaking technical specifications. Every detail of this supercar has been carefully planned to provide an unparalleled driving experience. The heart of the Fury is its engine, strategically positioned in the center of the car. This configuration is not just for aesthetics, it offers an ideal weight distribution, resulting in exceptional handling. The engine is capable of propelling the car to a top speed of 300 km per hour, placing it in the elite of the world's supercars. Furthermore, the engine has been designed to utilize synthetic fuels and ethanol, although these fuels are not yet permitted in Portugal. This versatility demonstrates the manufacturer's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Another standout feature is the chassis, constructed entirely from carbon fiber. This material was chosen for its combination of lightness and strength, allowing the Fury to be not only fast but also safe and efficient. The structural rigidity provided by the carbon fiber significantly improves performance at high speeds and in the most challenging curves, offering the driver a sense of absolute control. The rear-wheel drive system, combined with the central engine position, provides a unique driving experience. This configuration ensures a perfect balance between power and control, allowing the driver to fully explore the car's capabilities. The suspension system has been designed to respond precisely to the driver's demands, whether on a racetrack or winding roads. The brakes are another highlight. Equipped with a high-performance braking system, the car is capable of decelerating quickly and safely, essential for a vehicle that can reach such high speeds. The brakes are ventilated and feature multi-piston calipers, ensuring a fast and efficient response in all driving conditions. The aerodynamics have been meticulously studied and adjusted to maximize efficiency and stability. Every line and curve of the car has been designed to reduce drag and improve airflow, allowing it to slice through the wind with minimal resistance. This not only increases the top speed but also improves fuel efficiency, an important factor in a high-performance car. But how do these technical components translate into real-world performance on the track? And what are the features that set the Fury apart from other supercars? Let's explore the production process and innovative technologies used in the manufacturing of this supercar. Production process and technology used. The manufacturing process of the Adamastor Fury combines high technology with artisanal skills, resulting in a final product that is a true work of art. Adamastor's factory in Parapeta, Matosinhos, is a center of technological excellence. From the beginning, the company invested in state-of-the-art equipment, many of which were designed and produced internally. This includes specific manufacturing tools, such as molds and assembly devices, which were developed to ensure maximum precision at every stage of the production process. One of the most remarkable innovations in the production process is the use of virtual reality. Engineers use virtual reality glasses to visualize and adjust car components in a simulated environment. This allows for the identification and resolution of potential technical conflicts before physical manufacturing even begins. By anticipating and solving problems in the virtual environment, the company saves valuable time and resources while ensuring that the final product meets the highest quality standards. The mold manufacturing process is highly sophisticated. The manufacturer has developed many of the molds used in the production of this supercar internally, ensuring that each component fits perfectly. Precision in mold manufacturing is essential to ensure the quality and safety of the vehicle. Each mold is tested and adjusted until perfection is achieved, resulting in a chassis and components that are lightweight and incredibly strong. In addition to technological innovations, the automaker also values collaboration with local suppliers. Specific components, such as metal parts and electronics, are sourced from national partners. This collaboration not only helps reduce costs but also ensures that 90% of the project's added value is of national origin. This local focus strengthens the Portuguese economy and highlights the country's ability to produce world-class vehicles. The manufacturer's commitment to excellence is evident at every stage of the production process. From the initial design to the final assembly, every detail is carefully planned and executed. The combination of high technology and artisanal skills results in a supercar that is both a work of art and a high-performance machine. But how do these production techniques and innovative materials translate into real-world performance? Let's explore the rigorous testing that the Fury undergoes before reaching the hands of customers. Performance and track testing. Testing a supercar is no simple task. Before reaching the hands of automotive enthusiasts, each unit undergoes a rigorous process of track testing, ensuring that all performance specifications are met and exceeded. Performance tests begin with top speed. The Fury is taken to closed tracks where it can reach its maximum velocity of 300 km/h without restrictions. During these tests, engineers closely monitor the car's behavior, adjusting elements such as aerodynamics and the traction system to optimize performance. Each adjustment is made with the goal of offering the best possible driving experience while maintaining safety as the top priority. In addition to speed tests, the Fury also undergoes rigorous maneuverability assessments. The rear-wheel drive configuration and the centrally positioned engine provide a perfect balance, allowing the car to navigate tight curves with precision and stability. These tests are conducted on technical circuits that simulate a variety of driving conditions, from tight corners to sudden changes in direction. This ensures that the Fury is not only fast in a straight line but also agile in the curves, an essential attribute for any high-performance supercar. The braking system also undergoes intensive testing. Stopping a car that can reach speeds of 300 km/h requires a high-performance braking system capable of decelerating the vehicle rapidly without losing control. The brakes are ventilated and feature multi-piston calipers, ensuring a quick and efficient response in all driving conditions. During testing, engineers evaluate the brake's ability to withstand heat and wear, ensuring that the system functions reliably even under the most extreme conditions. Suspension tests are equally important. The suspension system has been designed to respond precisely to the driver's demands, providing smooth and stable handling on any terrain. During testing, the suspension is adjusted to ensure that the car maintains constant contact with the track, improving traction and stability. These adjustments are essential to ensure that the Fury offers a safe and comfortable driving experience, whether on a racetrack or a winding road. One of the most innovative aspects of the testing process is the use of advanced technology to monitor and analyze the car's performance. Sensors installed at strategic points on the vehicle provide real-time data on speed, acceleration, brake temperature, and suspension response. This data is analyzed by engineers to identify areas for improvement and make precise adjustments. This data-driven approach ensures that each car leaves the production line optimized for maximum performance. The rigorous testing ensures that the Fury not only meets but exceeds expectations of performance and safety. But how does this exceptional performance translate into market impact? In the next chapter, we'll explore the impact that the Fury is having on the automotive industry and the future plans of Adamastor. Market impact and the future of Adamastor. The launch of the Adamastor Fury marked a turning point for the Portuguese automotive industry. It is not only a demonstration of technical skill and innovation but also a symbol of Portugal's potential as a significant player in the global market for high-performance vehicles. Since its unveiling, the Fury has attracted worldwide attention. The initial limited production of 60 units for the road version has created an aura of exclusivity around the vehicle, making it highly desirable among collectors and supercar enthusiasts. Demand for the car has been high, not only in Portugal but also in strategic international markets such as Europe and the United Arab Emirates. Adamastor has already signaled these markets as primary targets for initial sales, with plans to expand to the Americas, Oceania, and Asia at a later stage. The economic impact is also significant. By choosing to manufacture most of the components locally, Adamastor has strengthened the Portuguese economy, creating jobs and stimulating the local industry. 90% of the project's added value is of national origin, reinforcing Portugal's ability to produce world-class vehicles and compete in a demanding global market. The next step includes the development of a competition version of the Fury, which will have no production limit. This version will be aimed at racing teams, who may require chassis repairs or replacements after incidents in competitions. Furthermore, Adamastor is exploring new propulsion technologies and advanced materials to remain at the forefront of automotive innovation. The company is also considering expanding its production capacity to meet growing demand. The factory in Parafita could be equipped with more production resources, depending on the market response. This potential growth not only strengthens Adamastor as a company but also contributes to the local economy and technological development of Portugal. The Adamastor Fury is more than a supercar, it is a symbol of what is possible when passion, innovation, and cutting-edge engineering are combined. This vehicle represents the best of the Portuguese automotive industry and demonstrates that, with dedication and vision, it is possible to create something truly extraordinary. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video with other car enthusiasts. Until next time.